This component is called a light dependent resistor. It's also known as a photoresistor, but it's a light controlled variable resistor. So the resistance of the photoresistor decreases with increasing incident light intensity. In other words, it exhibits photoconductivity. As the light increases, more current is allowed to flow through, and as the light decreases, it resists that current from flowing through. So one use for this is in a nightlight. When it's bright in the room, you don't want that light on, and so it'll turn it off. And then as it gets darker, that light will turn back on. So again, this is a light-dependent resistor, also known as a photoresistor. Well, I hope you learned something new. You can find more component videos and tutorials at www.creationcrate.com/classroom or ask our Facebook Messenger bot.